Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Twitch account with your Discord. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.tv and press enter. You will then be taken into your official Twitch website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal from which you can use your credentials to log into your account. Now after you have logged in, if you wish to connect your Twitch account with Discord, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on the settings. You will then be taken to the settings page for your account management. Click on the connections option at the right side and now this will open the recommended connection section. Now you will be able to find various different connections that you can make with your Twitch account. However, there is no option to connect with Discord. So this means that if you wish to connect your Discord stream with Twitch, then you will need to use a third-party application such as OBS Studio or stream your screen activity while you are streaming on Discord. And there you have it. That is all there is about connecting your Twitch account with your Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.